हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज हम सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ कोन स्टार्ट करेंगे। इट इज़ इन द रेफरेंस विद द सेम लेसन, दैट इज़ चैप्टर नंबर 18। टू स्टार्ट विद एक्सरसाइज 18.2 जो हमने स्टार्ट करनी है, उसमें थोड़ी सी डिटेल्स हैं जो हम समझेंगे। पहले आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक पे 492 पेज नंबर 492 पे दिया हुआ है सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ कोन। उसे समझने के लिए हमें पहले स्टार्ट करना होगा। बुक खोल के आप देख सकते हैं कि राइट सर्कुलर कोन को हम जब रिवॉल्व करते हैं, घुमाते हैं उसकी साइड्स के यहाँ से, तो एक राइट सर्कुलर कोन फॉर्म होता है। कोन जो हम आइसक्रीम खाते हैं कई बार, वो भी आपने देखी होगी, ठीक है। वो ऊपर जो कॉनिकल जो बनता है वो साइड्स की तरफ फ्लैप होता है, इसलिए उसे राइट सर्कुलर कोन कहा जाता है, ठीक है। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ कोन। राइट सर्कुलर कोन, if a right angled triangle is revolved about one of its side other than the hypotenuse, then the solid obtained is called a right circular cone। इसका मतलब ये है कि जो ये साइड्स जो दिए हैं यहाँ से इसको रिवॉल्व करेंगे, नॉट दी हाइपोटेन्यूज पार्ट, ओके। तो उसको कोन, जैसे हम लोगों ने आइसक्रीम खाते हुए, मैंने आपको पहले भी इंटरव्यू में बताया, वही है। तो इसे हम कैसे डिडक्ट कर लेंगे? लेट आर बी द रेडियस, हियर इट इज गिवन, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी योर हाइट, this is going to be your radius, and this is going to be your length, okay, and this is going to be your vertex, and this is going to be your axis of cone, that is from A to O, where a right angle is intended, okay. So coming on to that, we apply the Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to OB square plus OA square, that is L square is equal to R square plus H square. L is equal to अंडर रूट, मीन्स इसका रूट फाइंड करेंगे तो अंडर रूट आर स्क्वायर प्लस एच स्क्वायर आ जाएगा। दैट इज कॉल्ड द स्लांट हाइट। हियर यू विल बी कैलकुलेटिंग द स्लांट हाइट। जो एल है वो आपका स्लांट हाइट होगा। वो क्या होगा? द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द वर्टेक्स एंड द एक्सिस ऑफ द वर्टेक्स एंड द सर्कुलर बेस का जहाँ तक वो पॉइंट है उसको हम स्लांट हाइट लेंगे, ओके। एंड हाइट क्या होगा? द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द वर्टेक्स ए and the center of the circular base is called the height of the cone. The formula that we use over here is volume of the cone. We have to find 1/3 pi r square h. Curved surface area, that is the lateral surface area over here of the right circular cone will be pi r l. The total surface area is going to be curved surface area plus the area of the circular base is equal to pi r l plus pi r square is equal to pi r, हम कॉमन ले लेंगे, ब्रैकेट l plus r हो जाएगा। सम एक्सरसाइज 18.2 फर्स्ट सम, फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कोन गिवन। इट्स गॉट टू सब पार्ट्स, दैट इज वे एक पे उन्होंने हाइट दिया हुआ 8 सेंटीमीटर्स और स्लांट हाइट दी हुई है 10 सेंटीमीटर्स। सेकेंड पार्ट में दिया हुआ है स्लांट हाइट, और मतलब 2 सम्स है, उसमें हम करेंगे सॉल्व। सो फॉर द फर्स्ट वन गिवन, सी इट इज एडवाइजरी बच्चों, अगर आप हमेशा फॉर्मूला लिखा करेंगे साथ में तो आपको इजी होगा एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी, ताकि आपको लर्न ना करनी पड़े। जितनी बार भी आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतनी बार ही आपको ये ज़रूर लिखना चाहिए कि क्या गिवन है, फॉर्मूला क्या है। सो हियर द फॉर्मूला टू बी यूज्ड इज, ताकि जब एग्जामिनर जब आपका पेपर भी चेक करते हैं ना, पहले आप फॉर्मूला यूज़ करोगे। अच्छा, मैं बात कर रही थी कि एग्जामिनर जब आपका पेपर चेक करते हैं, अगर आपने इस तरह से प्रेजेंट किया हो तो क्लियर है कि उनको भी पता होता है कि हाँ, बच्चे को क्लियर है कि कौन सा कॉन्सेप्ट है और कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज़ करना है। सो यहाँ पे एल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू r square plus h square, okay. First that formula we'll use. Second formula is we're supposed to find the volume. So the volume will be 1/3 pi r square h, okay. So the solution, and your paper also, your exam paper also looks very presentable with this, okay. L square is equal to r square plus h square. Your height is given and you're supposed to find the radius first. So the slant height is 10, the whole square is equal to r square plus square, that is 8. Okay, 100 is equal to r square plus 8 square is 64. 100 minus 64 is equal to r square, gives you, sorry, it's directly going to write 100 minus 64 will give you, we'll do everything, we'll get 36 as the r square. So finding root, we'll get r is equal to 6 centimeters. Now when we've got r is equal to 6 centimeter, we'll use the second part, that is we'll have to detect volume 1 over 3 pi r square h. 1 over 3 into 22 over 7 into 6 into 6 into h is what? H is given as 8. Okay, 3 ones, 3 twos. Okay, will give you 2 into 2 into 6 into 8 will give you 2, 4 into 8. I have multiplied these part and then 6 over 7. 7 will give you 2112 over 7. So the volume will be 301.7 is the volume of the cone. Here in this chapter we'll only deal with the right circular cone. So whenever it is meant cone, you're supposed to find the answer for the cone. Whenever it is status cone, it means right circular cone. Okay, over it. So the second part, turning on to the slant, where the slant height is given as, slant height is given as, क्या दिया है slant height बेटा? पीछे देखें 17 सेंटीमीटर्स और रेडियस दिया गया है 8 सेंटीमीटर्स. यहाँ पे क्या फाइंड करेंगे हम? पहले हम फाइंड करेंगे, क्या फाइंड करेंगे? फाइंड करेंगे हम हाइट. तो फॉर्मूला कौन सा यूज करेंगे? सॉल्यूशन फॉर इट, वही चीज, फॉर्मूला पहले यूज विल बी L square is equal to R square plus H square. L square is given 17, the whole square is equal to R square is 8. You're supposed to find the height. Okay, this will give you 289 minus 64 is equal to H square. 225 is equal to H square. Therefore, H is going to be 15. Okay, 15 centimeters. Then it's made our work easier. Volume is equal to 1 over 3 pi r square h is equal to 1 over 3 into pi r square h pi 22 over 7 into r square is what? Given 8 into 8 into h is what? We found as 15. 3 ones, 3 5s. Okay, so we'll calculate 22 into 8 into 8 into 5 over 7. 22 8 it is 64. 22 into 64. 2 4s is 8, 88. 2 6 is 12, 1 2 6 is 12, 13, 1 3. So it gives you 10, 1408 over 7. Okay, then again we'll divide it by 7. 7 twos is 14. 0 minus sorry guys, It was 1408 into 5. I left out this 5. इसको भी हम multiply करेंगे. 1408 into 5. 8 5s is 40. 4 5 20. To carry over 7040 over 7. This again will divide it by 7. 7 ones is 7. 0. Then 0. This 40 will come down. 5, 35, and then 5, 0, point 7, 49, 1. It will give you 1005.71. So the volume which is calculated will be 1005.71 centimeter cube. This is going to be your answer. The cone are 7 centimeters and 24 centimeters respectively. Find the volume and the total surface area of the cone. Given R is equal to 7 centimeters, H is equal to 24 centimeters. Formula used is L square is equal to R square plus H square. Second is volume is equal to 1/3 pi R square H. And then again we are supposed to find the total surface area of the cone. Total surface area's formula will be pi r plus L. Okay, solution or solving, we'll get L square. First we'll step by step makes it easier to solve. Okay, L square is equal to R square is 7 the whole square plus 24 the whole square. 49, 24 into 24. This will give you 576. On adding, we'll get 625. This is going to be your L square. L will be 25 centimeters. Okay. We'll find volume. Volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Will give you. Here slant height wasn't needed in this sum for the particular volume, but then again TSA जहाँ पे total surface area find करना है, इसलिए हम लोगों ने L find करा हुआ है. 1/3 22/7 into 7 into 7 into h is what? 24. 7 goes with 7. 3 1s and 3 8s will give you 22 into 7 into 8. Okay, this will give you 32 centimeter cube. So the volume will be 1232 centimeter cube. This you obtain your volume. Coming on to the total surface area of the cone is pi r plus L. We found the slant height already. Pi is 22/7 into 7. 7 plus 25. 7 goes with 7. This will be 22 into 7 plus 25 will give you 32. The answer goes to 704 centimeter cube. The total surface area of the cone is equal to 704 centimeter cube. This is your answer. Third sum states the height of the cone is given, that is 20 centimeters, and the radius of its base is 15 centimeters. They have put it that you're supposed to calculate the slant height of the cone. पहले find करनी है, फिर उसके बाद में lateral surface area of the cone. ये जो lateral surface area है, इसका मतलब already बताया हुआ है, CSA of the cone ही होगा, that is the curved surface area of the cone. Then the total surface area of the cone, and then the volume of the cone. Step by step, we'll start. We'll put forth what is given first. Given is height is equal to 20 centimeters. and then the radius is 15 centimeters. We'll start writing the formulas for it. The first formula we'll use is for the slant height, that is L square is equal to h square plus r square. Either way, both the ways will do. Second part is the lateral surface area or the curved surface area. We'll find as pi rl h. Okay. Third one is the total surface area we're supposed to calculate will be pi r plus l. Fourth will be the volume part, 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, so the first one will calculate the slant height. L square is equal to h square plus r square will give you L square as 20 the whole square plus the r square is 15 the whole square. 20 the whole square gives you 400 plus 225. L square will be 625. L will be yours 25 centimeters. Okay, this is the first part, that is the slant height is equal to 25 centimeters. Your first part is calculated. Lateral surface area, that is. Second part is what? The lateral surface area or CSA. The formula will be pi RLH. Okay, 22/7 into R is given to you as 15 into 25. What we found, that the slant height we found, h is given to you, given as 20. Okay, so on multiplying we get मैंने नोटिस ही नहीं किया कि मेरी वीडियो रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो रही थी. Lateral surface area is pi RL. यहाँ पे 22/7 into 15 into 25 you've put in, but वहाँ पे उन्होंने mention करा है कि हम लोगों ने take pi as 3.14, so it is to be multiplied, and then you get the answer as 15 into 25 will give you 75, 30, 375. 375 on further calculate 3.14 से multiply करेंगे, we'll get is 117.50. Okay, so the answer final one 117.50 centimeters. Centimeter meter square. So this is the lateral surface area. Second part done for you. Okay, the second answer. The third part they have asked you is the total surface area of the cone. Total surface area of the cone is equal to pi r plus L. 3.14 into r is given as 15 into 15 plus L is given as 25. We've calculated. Okay, this will give you total surface area pi r plus L. We've substituted the 3.14 into 15 plus 15 in the bracket 15 plus 25. On calculation 3.14 into 15 1570 आ जाता है यहाँ पे, और टोटल आ जाते हैं 47.10. 47.10 into 40 will give you 1884 centimeter square. Okay, this is going to be your total surface area. Okay, third part is calculated. Fourth part is in the volume. Okay, volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square, sorry, 1/3 into 3.14 into r is what, 15 into 15 into h is given as, so you get as 4082 centimeter cube. Okay, this is going to be your volume of the foam, all the four salt. Okay, coming on to sum number 4. So with this first 3 sums which had subparts also, we end up with today's session. प्लीज़ व्यूज़ तो बहुत हैं और सब्सक्रिप्शंस नहीं हैं. If you really like my channel and you find it helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. I'll be waiting for your comments too very eagerly. Thank you. Have a